Porn Brain Reboot Program, your Monday motivation with me, Dr. Trish Leigh. This Monday, I am so excited to announce that my new program, Porn Brain Reboot, is available now. It is available on my drtrishleigh.com website. Unfortunately, my web developer's mother-in-law passed over the weekend, and we have some delays in my new website creation, but that is fine because we have a new web page where you can access the program immediately. I've been trying hard to get it to you before March 1st, and today's the day. So the motivation for today is that when you have the proper tools, strategies, techniques, support, you can succeed. And I have been using all of my free time, which basically is non-existent, so I had to steal it from other places, namely food prep. These poor kids of mine have eaten more frozen pizzas than I would like to admit, but alas, the program is ready for you, and it has all the tools you need, built on neuroscience, proven effective clinically. This program is ready to rock and roll. It also includes group support so that I can support you personally on this journey. So go check it out now. It's on drtrishleigh.com. It is at Porn Brain Reboot, the tab under Internet Addictions. So go check it out because I would love for you to see. Even my 17-year-old son, who was helping me upload it and get it all ready over the weekend, he said, "Wow, Mom, this program's really well put together." I said, "Thank you. I appreciate that." He did tell me that he's never cringed harder when I was singing Goosebumps by Travis Scott. And I told him that was just me being me in the program. So it is filled with neuroscience. And what he said was he really appreciated how much the program was for other people and not about me, except for the singing. Sorry about that. Okay, go get it. And if you have any thoughts or questions, reach out to me, info@drtrishleigh.com. I am here for you so that you can control your brain so it doesn't control you.